Hey everybody, today we're in a Mini Cooper. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip mount number 855010. Before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First off, this mount does use some double-sided tape. You'll see the blue covering under here. Now that tape is designed so if you ever have to remove the mount, it's not going to leave any marks or residue behind. Second thing we want to mention is always attach the mount to the vehicle before you screw anything to this faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. One quick note, this mount is designed to fit the vehicles with the small center screen. If you have the large 8-inch screen, this mount will not work for you. This mount is going to attach in two different places. The first is this front L-shaped lip is going to rest right against the inside curve of this silver piece of trim next to the screen. The J-shaped lip goes into the second seat, which is between the inner part of the vent and this outer matte black piece right here. To start off, you'll want to angle your vent louvers all the way down. Don't worry, we can move them back after we're done. Then we're going to take the included gap opener and insert it into the seam next to the vent. And you kind of just want to line it up with the top of the vent knob right there. Next up, we're going to take the L-shaped front lip and rest it against the chrome piece of the dash we talked about before. You'll want to use your thumbs on the faceplate to push the mount back, while simultaneously using your index fingers to flex the back of the mount just enough so you can get the lip into the seam. With the back lip in place, you can remove the gap opener, readjust your vent to normal, and now we have a nice solid mounting position for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.